Looking for a job can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, it gets a lot easier. The key is knowing where to look, how to connect with others, and how to make your application stand out. Start by checking different sources. Job boards like Indeed or LinkedIn are great places to begin. You can also explore company websites, visit job fairs, or talk to your school's career center. Don't overlook social media. Many companies post openings there too. One of the most powerful tools you have is networking. This means talking to people, friends, family, teachers, or anyone in your community. Let them know you're looking for work. Sometimes the best opportunities come through word of mouth. When using job search websites, set up alerts to get notified about new listings. And make sure your resume is uploaded and up to date. That way, employers can find you too. Now, when you apply, don't just send the same resume to every job. Tailor it. Make sure it fits the job description. Highlight the skills and experience that match what they're asking for. This shows that you've done your homework and that you care. A good job search also means being proactive. Make a list of companies you're interested in. Check their career pages often. Follow them on social media. And if you really want to work there, don't wait. Reach out. Send them your resume, even if they haven't posted a job yet. Showing initiative can set you apart. And sometimes that's all it takes to get your foot in the door.